Hey guys, this is Ed Moller from Moller Smokers, and on today's episode I'll show you how I built this Straight Hex Firebox and this 22-inch off-road kit. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. Alright folks, this is where we left off on the last episode. All the body work on the Tanker 500 is done. Got it cleaned up. And now it's time to build a firebox. I've been under pressure to make my fireboxes insulated, just because it's what everybody's doing and everybody expects. But honestly, I don't like them at all. And I'm not the only one. As you can see, I've changed my design to a hex shape. And I've also upgraded to 8mm thick plate for all my fireboxes. This is almost 3/8 of an inch. And I thought it would be much better than doing an insulated firebox on this straight style. An offset smoker is already a pretty efficient machine. If you compare that to burning coals, wood consumption is really not an issue. And if I'm buying a smoker like this, it's like buying a big diesel truck. I'm really not looking for fuel efficiency. I'm looking for performance. Hell, look how thick this is. This is what I call thermal mass. Let me get my gear on and weld it out. Gonna have some fun with this one. And here it is, guys, all welded up. Tell me that doesn't look like it's going to war. Alright, the firebox level. You can see, I'm not joking. And I've made all my marks where I need to cut to make the fitting. So, let's break out the plasma cutter. Firebox fitted. Time to make the most important weld of the whole smoker. Okay folks, we got the firebox welded up. And my plan for this episode was to finish the firebox and build the door assembly, but I'm waiting on parts I need for the hinge, so it will have to wait. Instead of that, yesterday this came in my mail. So let's put this bad boy on wheels. This is what I use for the full off-road kit. We've got 5 stub axles, 1 for each wheel, and 1 for the steering also. They're nice, they're heavy duty, and these are actual trailer tires. These ones are on a 13-inch rim, and I think the total diameter of the wheel is about 22 inches. Well, I've prepped and tacked the axles, which at this point they're exactly the same, and also the support for the rear one. So let's keep building this thing. Alright, here I got all the parts. The front axle, the rear axle, and the steering. Let's put it together. Check it out, boys. This thing is looking badass. And that's it for today, folks. This Tanker 500 is almost ready for battle. I still gotta do the handle and the firebox door, but we'll do that on the next episode. And we're gonna fire it up and give it a test run. See how it cooks. So stay tuned. And if you like this kind of content, you know the drill. Leave a comment, subscribe, and ask any questions you want. See you on the next one.